We about to start a live. We about to start the live soon. Trying to get everything set up. But yeah, I wanted to pick this little mixtape for y'all. Who know about this little mixtape? Y'all tap in with me. I thought it was only right to play this one since we're gonna be labbing tonight. It's gonna be a live lab, so get your packet tracer. It's gonna be packet tracer. So if you need packet tracer, all right, man, get your packet tracer going. Get everything going. We're gonna build this lab. Let me get everything ready. Appreciate y'all tapping in. Whoever's tapping in with me tonight. If nothing else, I'm just gonna create another video for y'all. Y'all already know how it go.
Pressure.
Give me like 2 more minutes, y'all. All right, what's happening? What's happening? Let me see. It's not coming in focus. I'm trying to make it focus. There it goes. Focus better. Hopefully y'all can see me. Let me set it up. Let me set it up. Just wanted to go live with y'all. Or anybody that wanted to tap in and just laugh. If you're bored today. Let me see. Okay. See, we got some people. Shabam tapping in. Hope I said that right. Appreciate you, Shabam. But yeah, this lab, it's kind of weird going live, y'all. So just give me a second, man. Bear with me. Let's go back to where we were at. What do we got? All right, so appreciate you for tapping in for this live. Basically, I was going to record some content, but I just wanted to give y'all behind the scenes, give y'all the opportunity to tap in with me, and just help me build the content. It's just going to be a lab, but it's going to be a packet tracer lab, but it's going to be a different kind of lab how I'm going to do this. So number one, I think I'm gonna try to record the video. I don't know if I got enough time to really record the content, but this will be the video that's coming up, and I'll just be going over basically what we'll be doing is I'm trying to solve a problem which I see a lot of people that are just starting off in IT or whatever, trying to break into tech, whatever the case may be, is that catch-22. How do you get the job with no experience? And then you know, how do you get the job with no experience? And then how do you get the experience if nobody's going to get you a job? That whole thing. So if you're a beginner and everything, that's why I said this video is really going to be for you, because we're going to build a lab that you can, you know, this can be a project for you. And then on top of that, you could put it in your portfolio. So I wish I knew this when I first started to do what I'm about to do. And this is something unique, right? Because I just thought of this. So this is a different kind of strategy if you've been sending out 1,000 applications and not getting responses. And maybe this is something that can help you with your resume, because how we're going to do the lab is I went on to Indeed and we're going to look up a job description, right? Say you have a CCNA and you couldn't get a job, because that's where I was stuck for like 2 years. But my background was a little different. I had the felonies and everything. So I had to do it a little bit differently. But for 2 years, yeah, I'm putting out all the applications and I had the CCNA and I just couldn't get it because I didn't have the experience and everything. But I think this is a good, different kind of way for you to build in public and everything. But I hate that build in public, because that doesn't really give you value to like market yourself in the marketplace, right? Just building in public. You need something more tailored to the job that you're going for. And I'm doing this in I'm gonna try it in my personal life, right? Because like right now, I'm a cybersecurity analyst, so I just deal with basic level stuff, really just vulnerability management and really incident response. So vulnerability management just being like managing vulnerabilities, seeing what assets a company may have or whatever, and seeing what the vulnerabilities may be and remediating those vulnerabilities. And there's millions of those, and there's all different kinds of things to remediate all different kind of vulnerabilities. You have to do your research. So it's just a never ending game. So the next level after that is going to be a security engineer, somebody who manages the tools and everything, like how logs are being sent to a SIM or something like that, right? Or working with Splunk and stuff like that, and working with the tools that the security admins or whatever are actually working with. Same thing like a network engineer does, as far as what a network admin does. I think I'm rambling and getting off track, but what I'm going to do is okay, so I want to be a security engineer, or you want to be a CCNA. Let's take the job description, right? I took the job description and it's going to list all of these different technologies that you need to learn. OSPF, site-to-site VPN, all these different ones. But what we're going to do is we're going to build a lab that has OSPF in it. It has VPN, and it's tailor specific. It's going to simulate the exact network that they need that candidate for. That way, this time when you go to your resume, yes, we're going to tailor the resume to be whatever that thing is. But on your resume, you could also put like, hey, I have a project where I simulated this entire network, you know, and then it's a deliverable. It's something that you can give them, a packet tracer lab. You could speak about it in your interview or something, you know, even if you're on like a remote interview, you could say, hey, let me share my screen and show you how I simulated your network, and, you know, make a mock company of them. And that's what we're going to go through today. So I know that's a lot. I hope it makes sense. We're gonna try to just go through it today. I don't think, now that I think about it, I'm gonna just work through building the lab, showing y'all how I get down and everything, and answering questions as I go along with it. If you guys want to answer questions like that, and I may try to put my acting skills on, get my Denzel on, and try to start the video, give you guys the behind the scenes how I do it. Let me try to do it right now. Like I'll do it like. Did you ever wonder how networks work? No, I ain't finna do it like that. But y'all already know what time it is. Here we go. We finna start it off like that. And yeah, I'm excited. I got the live set up. I got a lot of little tools and tricks here. So y'all already seen my starting soon. You know what I'm saying? So let me get my forehead out the way. Let me jump over to the lab. Hopefully it's ready for y'all. Because we live, so I don't know what's going to happen. See, y'all see the behind the scenes, how the content is created. And I might show y'all around the house, you know what I'm saying? Y'all just chilling with me. I appreciate it. It's Friday. It's morning time for some people. So, grand rising, or rise and shine, whatever you want to say. Good morning, all that there. So let's jump over there. Let me check the chat. If anybody trying to tap in with a real one. Where we at? We live. Shaban, yeah, man, you pronounced correctly. Our professor in CCNA 3 Netacat asked us to make a topology with VPN site to site. Is it a big lab? Oh, y'all see the okay. Topology with site-to-site VPN. Marcelo, check me out though. Hold on, I got something for you. It is a big lab, right? That is a big lab, but you rocking with the network ninjas. So number one, what we need to know is that with these big goals, all of this is overwhelming stuff, right? Hold on, let me hit y'all with the. Hey, y'all ain't ready. You feel me? Let me move it. Yeah, so what we got to understand. Hold on. My bad. Let me see if I can do this. Yeah. Let me lock that up. Yeah, Marcelo. So what we got to understand with that VPN site to site, and it's a big goal. All of this stuff is overwhelming, all of that there, right? But you got to break down things into small goals. So here, let me blow this up. This is the entire lab. I'm trying to put the PDF together for y'all. Give it a freebie. If y'all haven't already, definitely y'all gonna have to tap in and go to that Google Drive, y'all. Hopefully, let me get into the drive. I'm trying not to show y'all my information. Hold up, cause you never know, Let me see. But let's go back here. Yeah, so I'll leave the link here. Let me drop this link in the chat. Y'all go there. That's a little static route lab. I already did the video. You know what I'm saying? If you go to my video and just type in static route or something like that, you could do that lab. And then this lab I'm working on, I'm gonna put the PDF. You see, like this one already got the PDF right there for the lab, for the packet tracer lab. So it's already got the step-by-step, blah, 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 all of that, right? So you could practice that. Let me drop that in there in the chat. Oh, Argentina. Okay. I'm gonna work on my Espanolo. I need to translate this. Okay, I feel you, big dog. You a CCNA. Okay, then you know what time it is. This stuff is tough, bro. But yeah, you could help me build the lab too, because I'm going to get stuck on this. Listen, I ain't new to this, but I'm true to this. But it's still, this stuff still will give you it'll give you a run for the money. Ken G, what's happening? What's happening? Appreciate you for tapping in. But what was I trying to show? My bad. I'm all over the place. But Marcelo, this VLAN in and around in IPsec right there, step 5, right? IPsec VPN setup. We're gonna run through all of that. So it's gonna be all through this lab. So this is gonna be a pretty big lab. So where was step 5? I don't know if y'all can see that. Hey, y'all help me out. I want to start doing live labs and stuff. So not with just this. I'm working on coding as well as some other cybersecurity stuff. I'm gonna do hack the box and everything. I'll talk about that later. If you want to stick around, and I'll show you what I'm gonna be doing with that. Because I have to hack a printer for my job. I gotta hack into a printer. So if y'all interested in that, definitely drop a 1 in the chat or whatever. But let me see. Yeah, we're gonna do all of that there. So let's just get started. Oh, so first of all, appreciate that, Shaban. Appreciate that. So I'm gonna try to come up with some more. Oh, and since y'all tapped in, let me show y'all. I know I'm all over the place, but since y'all want to tap in with a real one, I got where is it at? Dang, I don't have it on here. But I do have, what is this? I got Secure CRT. I'm on a MacBook Pro, so I got Secure CRT, and I got a PDF, but I can't show it to y'all. But basically, when I connect, let me see. Let me fire up a router real quick. We'll fire that up in the background. Let me see if I can connect it while I got y'all on live. Oh yeah, it's gonna connect. But if y'all want, if y'all are familiar with Secure CRT, it's just a terminal emulation program, and I got a PDF that I'll drop for y'all, and it highlights. It's like a little tutorial on Secure CRT, what this is, and a lot of network engineers use it to log into equipment remotely. And I got a PDF. Once this thing fires up, let me see if it'll connect. Oh yeah. So I'm just connected to a router. I don't want to move the camera around too much, but it's just I'm just consoled into a router right now. But yeah, since y'all tapping in, I'm gonna show y'all. I got a little PDF that let me let that boot up. But anyway, let's go here. So again, just do like CCNA, right? Remote. Say you wanted a CCNA remote position, right? Let's say for like Kenji, if you still looking, right? Or if you still watching, and you're studying for your CCNA, you got your CCNA, but you can't get no experience, nobody's hiring you. Dang, there ain't no jobs. Let's see, for like a beginner, solutions, enterprise LAN WAN, electronic information, IT, help desk support, blah blah blah. Network engineer. Okay, I think network engineer 1 will probably. Do you have a valid CCNP? Well, they want a CCNP, but let me see. 0 to 2 years experience. Network system admin required. This is a bad. I should have kept the job description I had of the last time. I had a good one. Let me find it over here for y'all. Let me pull up this job description. My bad. Let me pull up this job description I had in here. It was, where did I have it? I think I found it, y'all. My bad. Oh, I found it, y'all. I found it. Full job description. We could just do it like this. Let me just do it like this. Oh man. Oh man. All right, anyways, it says in this job description, it's not one on here. I couldn't find a good one on here, but in this job description, it says configure, install, and maintain network equipment such as routers, switches, firewalls, and other related blah, blah, blah. Develop and maintain network documentation, analyze network traffic. Implement and maintain network security protocols such as firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and VPNs. Monitor network performance, troubleshoot, and resolve network issues promptly. So again, I named what? VPNs for the network security protocols. That's what we're going to do in this lab, is some VPNs. We're also going to touch on troubleshooting. We're going to do troubleshooting because when we're building the lab, we're going to troubleshoot. So, and then after I do the video, I'll also be providing you with how you can present it on your resume to where it's tailored toward that job. And hopefully my goal is that that can help you break into tech or whatever and get that first CCNA job or whatever. And I'm gonna try to do that myself with trying to step my game up and get to that security engineering level position where I'm pen testing and stuff like that. That's my goal. I'm working on Security Plus and all of that stuff in the background, and that's about it. So ooh, Shabam, okay, yeah. Yeah, I don't know how that works, Shabam. If you can, you're talking about how much you make and everything, but I don't know, like, if you could apply for jobs in the U.S. How does that work? Let me know. But let's get started on this lab. Not to waste y'all time, let me pull up that lab. Where do we have it? Right here. So basically, man, y'all, I'm gonna put y'all to work. This is the boring part of it, right? We gotta configure the network. We're gonna have to configure the IP addresses and everything. I don't have this guide available again, like I'm working on it, so I'll just read it off, but you guys can look at the topology and everything. So basically, the objective of this lab is to design and implement a multi-site network using Cisco devices, including routers, switches, a firewall, and VLANs, while establishing secure communications via IPsec VPN tunnels. So we're going to be doing a lot in this lab. We got firewalls here. I've never worked with firewalls and packet tracer, but again, this is going to be a good experience, good time and everything. But as you can see, this is going to be a lot. We got some servers and PCs down here, 2 PCs for the lab. So if you got the time to stick around and everything, go ahead and throw your stuff up there. So what you're going to need, I'll give you some time. If you need more time, just press it out there, type a 1 or whatever. something. Say you need more time. Whatever you want to do. And you're going to need 2 Cisco routers. 1, 2. 2 Cisco layer 3 switches. And I'm putting them in this kind of topology, right? This is hierarchy. You guys are going to have to know this, right? If you don't already. For the people that do, you know, you got to put your stuff at the distribution layer, access layer, all of that kind of stuff. So that's kind of how this is flowing, right? Everything is at the access right here, right? Access layer for the servers. You're going to need 3 of them. And this is your headquarters office. So let me put a little box there that says headquarters office. I think this is the text. No. Where that text box at? See? Oh, there you go. So I'm going to put like HQ. HQ office. But this would be whatever company, right? If you wanted to simulate their network and they had IPsec VPN tunnels and they had a firewall and they had Cisco routers and switches, just replace this. Come back to this video, replace this. Don't worry, I'm gonna edit all this other crap out so y'all don't gotta sit through all the dry, boring, whatever me talking. But put the name of the company. That way, when you pull it up or whatever, you know what I mean? They're gonna be like, wow, you put in that work. I would have did that. And I'm gonna do this again for some security, whatever company. Whoops. Let me I'm gonna see if it worked. And then if it worked for y'all, y'all let me know. Or whatever you did to get the job. It don't matter. That's the goal, right? So we're just trying to get the job. So I'm just trying to help everybody get into IT if they want to get into tech, because it's easy. If I could do it, anybody could do it. I got 3 felony charges. You know what I'm saying? So not trying to brag about that. It's just, it is what it is. Let's see. We work for them. We work on Meraki devices, Sonic Firewall, Palo Alto, DM VPN. I'm working on all and learning all that from seniors. Yeah, that's the best way to work it. Learn it. All right. So you need, for a headquarters office, again, you're gonna need a Cisco ASA. If you need to know where to get the ASAs, they're under network and devices. And then the firewalls are right here. You need one of those. I work on 5505s. I got a 5506 that was broke over here, but I wish I knew how to fix it. But you could just throw a 5505. I don't know how to work. We're going to figure that out together. You need 2 routers. You need 2 switches, 3 servers. The subnet here is going to be 10.0.0.0 for the office subnet. I'm going to put something together for subnet and for people that need that practice too. So y'all make sure you're subscribed, all of that kind of stuff. And I got an email in my bio of my YouTube, in the bio. Let me show y'all just in case. And then just email me whatever. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, that shit right there. That's the email right there. netninja111@protonmail.com. You can, what you call is in the bio or whatever. All right, and swinging over branch office. So put the branch office. Y'all should be building it out too. If you ain't doing nothing, might as well do it. Everybody, you're gonna have to do it someday. This is what you're gonna have to do an IP address or something someday. So you might as well just get this is the life. Friday night, 9:51 p.m. I'm over here in Florida. We just got hit with the Hurricane Helene. A lot of my people lost a lot of stuff, man. It's really sad. But this world is crazy, man. It's the conspiracy theory. All the dragons are coming. The dragons are coming out. You know? Naruba's heating up. Naruba, we getting a new moon. Y'all gonna start thinking I'm crazy. Let's see. Branches. What else we need? We need the subnet that's gonna be. Branch office, you need one Cisco router, you need one switch, and you need these PCs over here by the switch. Switch, blah blah blah, router, and the end device. You need 3 PCs. There's a third one. And matter of fact, y'all, it looks like, let's see how long we've been going, because I ain't trying to hold y'all. I just wanted to go live, just, you know, try to tap in with y'all. Appreciate that, Shabam. Yeah, so for this part, it looks like we're probably just going to get through with just configuring some IP addresses. Again, if you guys like this kind of stuff, let me know. Drop a comment or something. I'll continue. I'll drop another live on this. I'm going to continue to drop them because I'm just going to just really build the content behind it, give y'all behind the scenes if y'all watch the live and hang around with me, and then I'll just be posting the videos. That way y'all see all the content as it's getting created. And you guys can engage with me too as well. But tonight, yeah, I think we're just going to go over, it's just configuring IP addresses. Again, you could build your lab right along with me. I need to do this anyway, so let's keep it moving. Okay, Shabon, yeah, let's do this. Like Brutus. I don't know that my schedule's kind of hectic though. The schedule's crazy, so I'm gonna try to do as much as I can and jump on here. So the branch office subnet is gonna be 10.1.0/24. My bad. Ooh. 10.0.1.0/24. I encourage y'all to make it something else, another private IP address. If you don't know what the private IP addresses are, that's your homework for the night. Look that up. Those are things that you're gonna need to know. Cancel that. So boom, let's go there. Let me grab this other PC, these 3 PCs. Trying to keep everything on the screen for y'all. All this don't gotta be far away. It could be closer. And you build your network out, just play with it. I know y'all get on the game anyways. I'm gonna start getting on the game though. I'm gonna buy a PS5. But if you're gonna get on the game, might as well get on this. Cause this is what I'm doing. If you want to be a network engineer, or if you're a network engineer and you don't got to do this, more power to you. But this is what I'm doing. Constantly, the technology is constantly changing. And this is just fundamental stuff, right? This ain't even complex network engineering stuff. This is fundamentals that we're doing. We're just building out a packet tracer lab. But we're going to have to start doing automation with Python. That's when it starts getting complex. Logging in. If you like this lab, I'm going to do one where we log in with Python. I just got to download, one of the IDEs like Visual Studio Code and let it work with a MacBook Pro. And then I'm going to just push it and use that and get a VM going. And we're going to do that. So definitely subscribe. What else we got? All right, now it's just time to start configuring your IP addresses. I was doing it yesterday. So let's start where I started. I already messed up. So let's start from the beginning because I messed up. And it's on some basic stuff. It's on subnetting. So y'all go ahead and help me out. Let me blow this all the way up. We don't need the topology. We're on the HQ router 1. I'll have to I'll relabel these, but where is it at? Whatever. It's I'll label them on the topology, whatever. So router 1. Let's see. See what kind of interfaces he has on them. Oh, this is packet tracer. I forgot. Got to do it like that. Show IP interface brief. So he's got that gig 000, and then he's got these sub interfaces configured on him. I think I'm gonna erase all of that. Let me just. So this is a good lesson right here. So there's already configuration on here. I just want to erase the configuration and start all over. So I'm gonna just do a right erase, and hopefully that does it. And then I think I could just do reload, and it's asking me, do I want to save the configuration? And I don't, because I erased it. So I'm gonna put no. Proceed with reload, and it's doing a reload, but this is all simulated, so who knows what's gonna happen. Thanks, Marcelo. Appreciate that, bro. Or, yeah, appreciate that. Oh, all right. So I erased everything. Yeah, I'm trying to. I'm trying to teach. I'm trying to get my thing on. All right. So we just have to configure an IP address now. Router 1, it doesn't have anything configured, so we want that gig 000 interface. Let's just configure that with an IP address right now and see what that does. So just get on the interface gig 000. And then you just assign it an IP address with the command IP address, and then it's going to be 10. Let me make sure that this is going to work. Sorry. You know what? So let me show you what the issue is. All right, so we have a router. I think this is a router, yeah. The lab wants us to do inter VLAN routing, meaning it wants us to have a router that will be able to route in between VLANs. And what we need to do is, I guess let me look at the lab. They want us to create a different sub interface on just router 1 for for each of the three VLANs, VLAN 10, 20, and 30. So let's go ahead and do that. And I was just trying to make sure that, because I don't have the IP addresses for it, we're just gonna build it out and see it. Hopefully everything works. So let me back out of here. We're gonna create a sub interface first, and this is gonna be for VLAN 10, 00/0.10 IP address. Now we're gonna finish this part tonight. At least we're gonna be able to test this. 10.0.0.1 space 255 dot. Actually, give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. My bad. All right, we back. My bad, y'all. My bad. So we're gonna create a sub interface for VLAN 10. That's what that is. IP address 10.0.0.1, and then subnet mask /24 255.255.255.0. See, this is why it's good to be in the lab. I don't know what that error message is. Hold on, give me 1 second, y'all. I don't know what it's asking me for, because I just configured it over here. Oh no, it already erased it. Let me see. Ooh, you the man, 100 grand. Marcelo. Encapsulation.1Q. Oh, 10, right? For whatever VLAN. Oh, I should show that to y'all. VLAN ID 10. RBG Tech. Yeah, sub interface. That's gonna be for a router on a stick lab. I got that lab for you too. I'm gonna put that one on there. I already got a router on the set. I just got to build that out. So we'll build that one out next. But yeah, that's what I'm doing, is router on a stick. And a sub interface is because, let me see if I could pull up a picture real quick. Oh, and I think that worked. Hold on, because Marcelo's put me on. Yep. See, that's why I need y'all help. All right. I'm gonna just show a, what is it? Cisco router interface. There you go. Yeah, so a sub interface is, you got some WAN connections here. These are all like, this is a bad picture, but those are LAN connections. But basically what the sub interface, what we have here, this is a router, right? So they also show like a physical, how it looks physical. Where is it at? I think it's this one. Nope. 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 There it is. Yeah. So yeah, they're just showing. Let me see. Does that? There you go. How much will this thing? Oh, it'll zoom in pretty good. So router 0, there's a gig 00. Let me see. Oh, that's as much as it'll zoom in. But there's all these ports, but a sub interface, just because you got a gig 000, you can go into the router, which is what we're doing. We're logging in here, and that 000, that same interface, we're just putting a .10 on there. And when we put that .10, that creates another interface. And look how many you can put on there, just so to give you, so if I exit out of that sub interface, and if I go interface gig 0/0/0 dot, I don't even know that number, 429, that's what, see this, you need, that's a lot of sub interfaces, man. I think it's 4 billion or something, but that's a lot of sub interfaces that you can make. So hopefully that makes sense. Our RBG Tech, that's what we're doing, creating sub interfaces, because we need more than one interface on here. But that's basically what it is. So let's go back onto that. Oops. Where is it at? There you go. IP address 10. Yep, and then same thing. We're just going to do that for .20. And then you have to put this encapsulation on .1Q. And this is for layer 2 communication and for the VLAN. Because you want to be able to route between VLANs, and the router needs to know how to get to whatever virtual LAN or that network is. So this is VLAN 20. That's what you're specifying with that encapsulation of .1Q. And .1Q is that's a trunking protocol. And trunking just means it's just a way to tag the traffic. So you can say, I can tag it VLAN 10, I can tag it VLAN 20. That way the router knows where to send it when it makes its routing decision, because it needs to know what VLAN you're going to send it to. Hopefully all of this is making sense. I'm definitely going to do this again and get more prepared and show y'all how I do it when I record the video. That way we won't be here forever either. Alright, so we put an IP address on this one, and you just want to go 10.0.0. Well, actually the first one was 10.0.0.1. We can do this one as 10.0. Let's do 20.1. 255.255.255.255. Oops, too many 255.0. And then the last one, you want to do interface gig 0/0/0.30 encap .1Q 30. And there's different trunking encapsulations, but not a packet tracer, I don't think. Yeah, there's only, it used to be ISL, that's something old, so that's not even on there. Never mind. Let me get out of that. What? Whoops. No. Cancel. My bad. All right. And then the IP address will do 10.0.30. Yeah, this is the boring stuff. All right, we got our sub interfaces out of the way. Now let's jump into our switches and configure some VLANs. So we just configured some IP addresses on a sub interface for a router. And we learned that we have to put encapsulation on there. All right, switch 1. Let's see, I was already configuring stuff, so we'll do a show VLAN brief to see, because I was coming in here to configure some VLANs, so we're gonna see if we need to configure any. Let's see. Show VLAN brief. Let's see. Okay. Blow that up for y'all. All right, looks like I already got the VLANs configured on here, but practice makes perfect. Might as well do it again. Or we'll do it on the next one. I didn't do switch 2, so we could do switch 2 actually. So, but we knocking stuff out. Oh, I did it on switch 2 too. Let me see. Show VLAN brief. Yeah, I did all of that. So I did all of that. Let me go back. See what's next. We moving right along. VLANs. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, we need to put I didn't do the IP addresses on there. Let's try to do that. So we have the VLANs right there. So if we go on here, we need to configure the SVIs. Okay, so the SVI is a switch virtual interface, and that is just an IP address for the switch for the VLAN. Because right now there is no IP address, but I configured an IP address on router 1 for VLAN 10, 20, and 30. So I need to do this on the switch because they won't be able to communicate because there's no layer 3 communication, because there's no IP address for this switch to send information to. It's a layer 3 switch. So you can do that. Even if it was a layer 2 switch, you can do that, I believe. So let's go on here and you do conf t, and you're going to do interface VLAN 10. This command should create the SVI. So there's 2 different kinds of VLANs. You have a VLAN when you create a VLAN here. This is just layer 2, but you want to create a layer 3 VLAN. You see how it tabbed out? Let's see what the option is. So interface, and then what interface? This is a virtual interface, and then what virtual interface? So now it's creating a virtual interface on here, just like we created a virtual sub interface on the router. So it immediately goes to an up and up state, and then we put an IP address. So it should be 10.0.0. Since it's VLAN 10, we can give it .10 because we're on the /24 network. So 255, and the router is already using .1, so we can't use that. .0. Oh, okay. So I got some stuff configured on this switch, so we're gonna just erase everything on this one, and we'll start from scratch. And that's good, right? Because we want to start from scratch, or get that practice in, I meant. Roman, yeah, I'm gonna do a lot better though, man. This is my first time going live. I'm a post it better, cause I'm all over the place. I want it to be more structured. Plus, look, like this is the document I'm reading out of. I wanted to put it on the Google Drive. If you're just joining, I dropped it in the chat, the Google Live, for a previous lab I did. Here, I'll drop it again in the chat for you. I hope that's it. Oh, that's not it. Hold on. There you go. So you could go there, and I got some labs there, and that's how I want to do this lab and put another PDF out there. This one's all over the place. I can't even figure it out on my own. But I just wanted to go live and show y'all how I create the content and everything like that. Right now is the boring stuff, just configuring IP addresses and stuff. That way you don't delete VLANs, right? I use write erase. I don't know. I just did that out of habit. I didn't want to. I don't want to save the VLANs. Hopefully, it doesn't save them. I'm trying to think of another command. Oh, it did. Yeah. I'm blanking, Marcella, how I erase it then. Delete a file, erase a file system. Yeah, erase. Oh. Erase startup. Yeah. That should do it, right? Yeah, no problem, Roman. I appreciate you tapping in, man. Let's see. I think that's it. Let's see. No. Okay. The same. Delete VLAN.dat. Alright, I think I have to do this to erase the VLANs in there. This is an old switch. It's packet tracer. It's a simulation. VLAN.dat is a database file for VLANs. I don't even think it's used anymore, but let me reload this. If not, I'll just throw a whole new switch out here instead of playing with this simulation crap. No. Oh yeah, that got rid of it. So it was delete VLAN.dat. I had to delete the VLAN database file. But anyway, so we're gonna start from scratch. This is, oh man, now we gotta wait. But this is gonna be on switch 2. Let me get this out the way. Man, I don't believe that Control Shift 6, what, X, right? Oh, there it goes. Name look up a boy. Oh, right when I was, boy Marcelo, you on one. So we're gonna just go conf T, and we're gonna go to okay, yeah, so we're just configuring. Again, I'm working out of this document, but let me blow this up for y'all. We need 3 VLANs. So we need VLAN 10. And that creates a VLAN, and then we're gonna name it. And then that's the command to name it, and then we'll name this one HR. And then VLAN 20. Name it IT. VLAN 30, name it finance. Right now, show VLAN brief. Now we have those VLANs. Now I can go in here. I should be able to do a VLAN 10. Again, this is the different one, right? VLAN, what number I want it, 10. It's up, and then I throw an IP address on there of 10.0.0.10, because the router's .1, 255.255.255.0, and then IP address, and I'm gonna exit out of here. Also, I'm gonna give it a host name of HQ switch 2, and write that, and then do a show IP int brief. I like to do exclude unassigned, so I could just see what I'm looking at. Up down. So this is a good thing. Up down status. It should be up and up. But it's not, and there is a specific reason why. Marcelo, you want to help me out with that one of why. And also I'm gonna put the cables, or if you guys, we need to figure out why it's up down on a sub interface. IP routing command. No, that's not gonna be it. But let me see if that's even it should be a IP routing command on here. There it is. Yeah, I don't think I have to enable IP routing, but let's do it. Let's see if that's gonna cause this thing to go up and up, because if it don't, I'm gonna take it off, and that's just troubleshooting, right? So run that command again. That should have made it go up and up, and it's still up down. So I'm gonna take it off. No IP routing. Good try. At least we learning though. We know that didn't do it, so we want to take that off. I'm gonna connect the cables real quick while we think, if y'all can think of it, what's causing it to be up down. I'm gonna give y'all some thinking music too. Oh man, technical difficulties. Hold on. My bad, y'all. Put that up there like that there. Whoops. And then, no, that's switch 1. We were on switch 2. That's the router. It's this one. No, that's the router. It's gotta be this one then. Nope, this one then. There it is, my bad. Again, we need to know why is it like this. It's up, down, and it wasn't a IP routing command. I didn't, it helped us get closer, but it still wasn't what we needed. No problem. Can you enter the interface VLAN and enable the interface? Yep, we could do that. Hold on, interface VLAN 10, right? And then enable it with no shut. But for, I think I've seen where we might have had to do that, but for, I think that might be on live equipment only. This is simulation 2, Marcelo. This is that packet tracer crap. So that's not going to do it either. And the only reason why I know is because I've been stuck on like this on one of these labs. So I know what it is. But I'm going to connect the cables for the switch to see if we could even ping something right now. So while y'all think of it, I'm gonna hit y'all with some tunes, some thinking music, and I'm gonna connect the thing up. Oh, my bad, y'all. All right. So we're gonna ping it, and hopefully this is gonna work. So the reason why this thing is not working is because we need to assign a port to the VLAN, to VLAN 10. So if we go here, conf t, and we go interface gig 02, because that's who I connected to the router's interface. Whoops. We got to put that on interface gig 02. So let me see how to do that. VLAN 10 main exit interface gig 0/2. Oh, okay. So it's been a minute because I haven't set up VLANs, but this is how you do it. You get on the interface and the command is switch port. And you want to do switch port mode access. That way it keeps it from becoming a trunk. Set trunking mode to access. It's only an access port. And then you want to do a yes, I'm configuring. That's what I'm trying to configure, Marcelo. Inner VLAN routing with SVIs. So switch port mode access, and then switch port access VLAN 10. Now, whoops. Now when we go in here and we do show IP interface brief, oh, that didn't bring it up. Thought that would have did it. Well, let's see. Gig 02. Still up, down. VLAN. I thought for sure that's what it was. Up, down. Oh, okay. That's what I think I know. Yeah. So let me get out of here. Go into this router and do an enable. And his port. So what happened is that we're still in the up down state. How bad? We're still in the up down state even after I assigned it. But that still didn't bring it up to up and up. So I verified that this wasn't administratively down, our port. So I went to the other side, right here, this router, and I found out that this gig 00 port, the opposite end, is administratively down. So that's stopping it. So gotta get on there, interface gig 000, and no shut that. And as soon as we do that, everything comes up. Looks green over here on packet tracer as well. So let's switch back over here. And now we're up and up. So now to show you that it will go up and down if there is nothing assigned to that port. So we have gig 02. We go to show run. Hold on, give me 1 second, guys. Sorry. and then this will probably be the last part of it. So you guys tighten up 1 second. All right, my bad, y'all, my bad. But I gotta run. But so I'm gonna end this stream here soon. But I'll leave this live up. But like I said too, what was I gonna say? Yeah, Roman, it'll be or whoever, it'll be on there so y'all can run through it and just fast forward through all the other stuff. But what I was gonna show y'all here is we're gonna go to show run, go down, and you see how we have gig 02. It's assigned to interface. I'm sorry, it's assigned to VLAN 10, and we can see that here, right? It's assigned. So we're gonna go on here, interface gig 0/2, and then we're gonna do no switch port access VLAN 10, right? As soon as we do that, you could see right there right there, line protocol goes down of the SVI of that interface. So this layer 2, because when you do show interface VLAN 10 or interface on anything, the first part is it physically up? Well, this is a virtual interface, so no, it's not physically up, right? I mean, there's no physical cable or anything we need to worry about. But line protocol is down. What is that? That's layer 2. So what would be layer 2 on this would be, that's what this is telling us, that there is no layer 2 information for this SVI. And we can verify that, right? It is telling us correctly. There is no layer 2 information. All we have is a layer 2 VLAN, but we don't have any interfaces assigned to it. So why would a SVI come up? SVIs are layer 3. If it has nothing but layer 2, right, our OSI model, we're not going to be able to get to layer 3. So this is correct. It's going to remain down until we assign layer 2 appropriately for this layer 3 feature of this multi-layer switch to work. Hopefully that makes sense. So if we go on here, interface gig 02, boom, and then what? Switch port access VLAN 10. Now it has something. So now it's going to go up and up. Now it's going to go up and up, right? Because it has that layer 2 information. So if we do show CDP neighbor, let's see. We got a router, 3 sub interfaces, but it's all going to the same router, 000, his sub interface. But let's see if we can ping 10.0.0.1 from here, from this switch. Ping 10.0.0.1, moment of truth. No, it's timing out. So I guess that's where we're going to leave it off, because I'm not sure why it didn't work. Let's go to router 1. Do show IP interface brief. He is 10.0.0.1. Everything is up. He can see the switch. You can see switch 2. Ping 10.0.0.10. Yeah, let me try that. Let me try enabling the routing. I think I already did. Oh, I don't think I did that again. Let's try it. So are they not on the same subnet? I don't know what the problem is. I'm tired and hungry, y'all, to try to think. Y'all help me out, man. Let's see. Yep. I think that's the problem. It's got to be a trunk port. Marcelo, you need to start your channel, man. You need to start the YouTube channel, brother. No, I think not no switch port. It's already a layer 3 switch. I'll try it though, but I don't think it needs to. Yeah, but definitely switch port mode trunk. So let's do that. I'm gonna take it off 0/0/2, right? Was it 2? Yes. Oh, 0/2. 0/2, not 0/0/2. I told y'all I'm tired, but no switch port access. VLAN 10. Then switch port mode trunk. Yeah, that's gonna work because the router's talking .1Q. Okay, I need to improve my Spanish. Tu habla español. Tu habla español. Yo no sé. Yo no sé. Let's see if that worked. Woohoo! You put me in there like swimwear. So we did it, y'all. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you're just joining, all we did was just do a little packet tracer lab, but we're building out the lab. And again, this is going to have all the different kind of protocols that are going to be. I got it straight from a description from Indeed of everything that they want, and we did the VLAN setup. We didn't do any inner VLAN routing. We can do that. That's going to be easy. So the inner VLAN routing is we're just going to hook up what is it? Another switch. How are we going to do that? I forgot how we're going to do that, but we're going to do that. Uh, yeah, I'm gonna just leave. I left the last one on there that I put on there. Um, the lives. Uh, I saved the last one. I just left that one up there. That one I'm gonna probably take down because that was like me just testing all of my like audio and stuff. But this one I'll definitely leave this one up there. But again, I want to polish it more. Again, I'm gonna do the behind the scenes. I'm gonna really try to create the content. So I'm gonna act like y'all ain't there. I'm really not gonna interact with the chat. If I get stuck on it, that's just gonna be. Or no, I could still interact with y'all because then I could just edit it all out. So y'all could just help me build it out because I'm gonna need your help, Marcelo. Hopefully you on the next one. Or no, I'm gonna be more souped up because I'm gonna eat something next time I get on here. But yeah, man, we gonna do inter-VLAN routing. It's gonna be easy because now we already got this connected. We just gotta connect this up there. We're gonna connect this. We gotta connect the ASA. But it's just piece by piece, right? And then we're gonna connect between the headquarter office and then to the branches. And then I'm gonna put this on the drive, on that Google Drive. That way, it'll be a lab that you built with me. Right, yeah, I done did the yeah, that Juniper CIA, man. I done did that too. So yeah, definitely. Where it's at? Let me oh shoot. Y'all know my real name now. Y'all know my real name. Y'all know the government, man. Oh man. Hold up. Y'all see that? Let me see if y'all see that. Yeah, Marcelo, let me flex, man. I'm flexing on y'all, man. No, I'm just playing, but I've been doing this for too long. Y'all give me 1 second here. Hold on. I'll show you. Where is it at? I got college credits waiting. What the heck? Oh, dashboard. There you go. No, that ain't it. Profile. There you go. No, that ain't it. Dashboard. Make a badge. Pride. No, I don't want that. Dashboard. Explore other badges. Man, I can't even. Where are all the other badges? Sitting. Oh, dang. No, I want to show it. Let me bring this off here, man. Profile. Oh, see all 7 badges. There it is. There it is. I got that bit back in October 5th, bit. October 5th, 2015, that JNCIA. So it expire. That CompTIA don't ever expire. You see the CCNA Encore. That was in 2022. That's gonna expire. So yeah, man. Y'all get them badges or that Juniper. That's Linux and stuff. Yeah, gotta study. That's dope, man. I need to get that again. I like having that Juniper. You just look real souped up. That's what them certifications, they just make you look real souped up. Because it's one thing to have the certification, and it's a whole nother beast to be able to put it into practice. And this is how you get it, by practicing these labs, man. It's 11 o'clock at night where I'm at, man. So while everybody out partying on a Friday night, this is what I'm doing. Facts, dog. Big facts. Roman goals, bro. That's what I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying, with the channel. I'm trying to push that, dog. That discipline, bro. I'm going to holler at y'all. I'm going to go ahead and end the stream. Or I'll leave the stream going for a little bit. If y'all want to chat, I'm going to chat in the box too. I might chat with y'all if y'all want to ask me something. But I got my chick here. Y'all know how I go, dog. Y'all know how I go. A real ninja gotta go, man. You know how I go when wifey want to eat, dog. Man, I appreciate y'all tapping in with me for real. Yeah, I thought it was dope too. Here, I'm gonna get y'all the link. Hold on, I'm gonna get y'all the link. Y'all know Dewan Lightfoot, that lab every day. But yeah, I like what Roman said. We gonna configure and chill, dog. Yeah, Marcelo, it's a vibe, bro. Hold on, I like this part. It be not that one. This one. Oh, this one go. This one go hard. I need to set up so y'all can hear it better. I gotta get a better like setup. Hopefully y'all can hear it though.